Don't miss live music several times a week all summer at the Town Green in Maple Grove. It's the sounds of summer, outdoor concerts, and movies. Mondays at 7, don't miss just about every type of music you can think of. Wednesdays at 7, Grooves and Foods presented by Mick Sterling and a hard-hitting lineup of favorites. Thursday mornings at 10:30, it's kids' concerts, and movies in the park are Fridays at dusk in July and August. You'll find the complete schedule right now at ccxmedia.org. It's the sounds of summer all summer long at Town Green in Maple Grove. For The Connection, this is Rusty Ray reporting.
Learn more about The Connection at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.